Okay, so today we'll be making the single-handed and double-handed and also the surgical knot. These type of the knots we'll be making: single-handed knots, the double-handed knot, and the surgical knot. So how to make the single-handed knot? Okay, in the single-handed knot, you can see one thread is away from you, one thread is toward the knee. We will basically use the single hand for making this knot. Okay, so the thread which was away now is here. Okay, now what we do, the basic technique is that the thread which is toward me, we will make it like this and bring the other thread in front of it and take this knot between the two finger and take this thread away from me. Okay, so in this way the single handed knot is formed. Okay, that was basically about the single handed knot, because we have used only one of our hand. Okay, now what about the double-handed knot? In a double-handed knot, basically we use the two hand. The hand should cross in both situations, but uh, the thing is that in double-handed knot, basically we move the both hands. We move the both hands in single-handed as well, but here in knot forming we use the both hands. Okay, so one thread is away, one thread is toward me. We will hold it like this. Okay, I will take this and make the single step of knot, and then we will do like this. Okay, so there is a little bit difference between these two. Okay, here the hands have crossed and we have used the two hands technique for making the knot. The shape of knot will be the same, but we have used two-handed technique. Okay, so that was about the double-handed knot. Now there is another type of the knot which is more secure as compared to single-handed and double-handed knot. We usually use that in different sort of surgeries, and that is basically called the surgeon's knot. Okay, so how we will make the surgeon knot? We will make the surgeon knot in this way, like we will take, basically this the surgeon knot is the double-handed knot, but basically we take two loops of it. Okay, so one thread is away from me, one thread is toward me. We'll bring them together like in double-handed technique, but here we are taking the two loops. Okay, basically this is a more secure type of the knots. Okay, and in the next step we will do the same, but we will take two loops of it. Okay, so we will tie the knot in this way. Okay, so and in a real surgery we will tie it with full force. This knot, this type of knot is basically more secure as compared to the knot which is made by single-handed or double-handed. Okay, so that is called the surgical knot. Now we have another type of the knot which is called the slip knot. Okay, basically in the slip knot, we take the first step of the either single-handed or double-handed knot. The first step is taken and the knot is pushed in depth, and after that, in order to secure that knot which we have taken in the slip knot, we take another knot at the end which can be either single-handed or double-handed. Okay, so how we will take, we will make one thread stable and we will take a slip knot, like a first step of slip knot in this way. Okay, after that we will take another step of the slip knot and push it like this. Okay, now in order to secure it, what we do, we usually take we make a knot which can be either single-handed or it can be double-handed. But in order to secure the slip knot, because we can take multiple slip knots, in order to secure that, in the end we usually take the usual knot which we take in either single-handed or double-handed technique. Okay, so this is how the different types of the knots are taken usually in FCPS Part 2 TOEIC exam. the question is to demonstrate different type of the knots, and we have to make the knots in this way. Okay, it would be better if you do a lot of practice in home by using simple thread. Okay, thank you so much.